Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Talk with me, E. Girl is back. Okay, so today, with it coming to be the end of the year, I want to hit if manifesting is real. Do you manifest? If so, how often do you manifest? Do you manifest every day, weekly, monthly, annually? Do you believe that if you manifest, it's going to come true? We're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about vision boards, because vision boards are literally a form of manifestation. So I'm going to share with y'all my vision board that I made last year for 2021 and what I plan on doing for next year. So let's get into it. Okay, so for my vision board, I did it very, I guess you could call it old school in a sense. I got a board, which is a poster board, and I got a lot of magazines, and I cut out what I envisioned for myself, where I'm trying to go, where I'm at presently, what I will see in my future, all the good stuff. And I try to be very proactive with my manifestations on my vision board. So, I said, do you manifest? Wow. Do you manifest? I do. I believe it is a thing. I believe that the power of the tongue is very strong. So I definitely believe in manifestation. I definitely believe that if you say it and you believe it, then you can definitely achieve it if you put your mind to it. So that's me. Yes, I manifest. Do you manifest? And how often I manifest? I try to manifest every morning for either my day, my week, or my month. I try to say like today, I am manifesting a great day. I am manifesting peace. I am manifesting reaching all of my goals today at work. I am manifesting success. I am manifesting favor. I am manifesting the answer yes. Because in my job, I also have to reach out and do a lot of marketing. So I am manifesting yes. I am manifesting joy. I am manifesting a peaceful day at work today. Something like that, along the lines of that. But I also have my board, my boards. I had to do two because one wasn't enough. Your girl dreams big. Okay, so one of my boards, I kind of was looking at it like a present and a future, but then I was like, nah, this is all future stuff that's gonna happen, period. So, I definitely kind of look to my boards too and manifest what's on my boards and speak it into existence that it's gonna come and it's gonna happen. So let's check out those vision boards. Okay, so like I said, I definitely use a poster board. I use magazines. I cut it out. And I'm more of like a hands-on person, like even reading. I don't really like to read off of Kindles or iPads. I like to feel the pages so I know it's real. Flip, turn, smell a new book. Anyways, for my book readers, if you know, you know. So for my poster board, here is one half of it. It's a real poster board. I got, words, pictures, phrases. So let's talk about this. For this half of my vision board that I did for the year of December, that I did for the year 2021, I have content on here because, if some of y'all know, I did go to school for nutrition and I did have a food content page, but then this turned into just not just food content, but just content in general, that I wanted my content to do very well, to succeed, to reach a higher number of audience. I wanted it to go from my subscription, on YouTube, from 5 to, 500. We're manifesting even more than 500, really, because we're looking at 50,000. Okay. Also my content on Instagram. Find me on Instagram at MissUkno, shameless plug. But yes, also my content on Instagram to go from 20 likes to 1,000 likes, So we're manifesting, and my Instagram content and YouTube have actually been growing, so it's all good. Okay, I have my lady here, living well, new beginnings, because I am manifesting new beginnings happening very soon for myself. I've been manifesting a new car because it's coming with very low payments or no payments. Just wait, it's gonna happen, okay? That didn't happen for me this year, but new beginnings did happen. I did get a new job position. I'm about to get a new position, period. My content has been growing. Work and wealth, I have definitely been building the bag and working, making my job that I have right now, very just looking at it very optimistic and finding the good out of it instead of just complaining. We're looking at the glass half full. Okay, we have on here flights, take a flight, ownership, because I am manifesting some great ownership coming for myself, whether it's commercial estate, real estate. I'm onto something, y'all. Yes. Okay. I used to love to cycle, and my thing this year was I need to get back into it, and I did, and I'm so proud of myself. Working on my health, also did that. Oh, the places you'll go. That also has to go with just moving, planning on moving, taking trips, going out of the country, all that in one. Excuse me, love your curls. My hair has been flourishing. Manifestations, they work. And you know, I had this up here because I wanted to manifest. Okay, here we go. I wanted to manifest healthy, supportive relationships. So you know how a lot of us have friends and we want our friendships to look a certain way or be a certain way. Well, are we also giving what we're expecting? So I was working on that as well. Excuse me, y'all. I'm a little congested up in here. Allergies, the weather, the Midwest weather, allergies. But yes, anyway, so it's like, are we also giving what we're expecting from these friends? Are we being that friend that we're looking forward and looking to in other friends? So I really wanted to focus on building and supporting my friendships and relationships. Okay. Second part. This was more about positive affirmations, manifesting within myself. This is a husband that's coming soon. Yes, healthy heart. You know, we have blessed assurance. You know, like Davido said, give him assurance. Okay. Anyways, I'm not a singer, clearly. The one, a happy marriage, being married, sweet, romantic, no talk, all action, little talk, all action, period. We're manifesting all of this. A healthy heart, which means, you know, they're healthy, they're healed from trauma, because that is a big thing nowadays. Trauma does exist. Take the steps, get healed. Yes, they're coming to me healed or working on being healed. The husband is coming. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Live your best life, which I have been doing this year for sure. And like I said, positive affirmations, just uplifting words of ways I think about myself. So, of course, we have Queen. I put you are worthy enough, love, naturally beautiful. That's a big thing, naturally beautiful. Smart, shine, success becomes you. Let go and move on. I have this quote up here. You look awesome, unstoppable, bold, and brave. Okay. We have bestsellers up here because, like I said, things are in work. So, okay, we are manifesting culture, going to places that I'm never even imagined. Oh, the places you'll go. Okay, we have Mexico up here, the Caribbean islands, just, you know, culture, because I love when I travel to immerse myself in culture. It's everything and then some. Like, you really get the experience. What else? You are amazing. Don't lower your standards just because you're lonely. Don't lower your standards just because you're lonely. I had it saved for the people in the back. What else? Oh, yes. And then I have this part. We were saying invest in you. That was definitely a big manifestation and definitely happened this year for sure. Build name recognition. Life made easier, healthy, time to follow your passion for sure. Try it. Definitely did a lot of different things. A little can go a long way. So a little can go a long way. Let's talk about that. If you start, it doesn't matter how much you have or how little you have, as long as you're starting or you're trying something, you never know where it can take you. So for sure. And then we have, I think that's it. Start now. Definitely start now. So yes, these are definitely my manifestation boards. Get into it. We here, we manifesting. So yes, I definitely feel like a lot of this actually came to pass. Some of it is on its way because, you know, we stay manifesting. We're continuously speaking life into ourselves, you know, speaking highly of ourselves, speaking highly of, you know, new positions coming in life, really good change, positive change in outcomes. We are speaking highly and manifesting positive relationships, whether that's love, romantic relationships, building business relationships, or just supporting and being there for the friendships you have now. All of that. We are definitely encouraging to, you know, dig within you and build for you. Do it for you. If nobody else, we doing it for us, for me. I did it for me. So do it for you. So yeah, the vision board is, I loved it, especially this one, because I really took my time and like focus. I kind of, okay, what I want here. And like I said, I had to do two because there was so much greatness going on. So like I said, I did that basically every day or at least 5 days out of the week, for sure. Woke up, manifested, prayed, boom, started my day. We having a positive day, period. But that's what we're doing because I believe it and I'm saying it and I'm speaking it into existence. So, but next year for the vision board, I'm thinking of doing a little more razzle dazzle, a little more zhush, you know. I've been seeing these vision boards lately, these new school, new modern type of vision boards that people are doing on their computers using like Word documents, or I don't know what they use because I haven't really dug too much into it. I just seen little snips and bits, but it's using the computer. Obviously, it's making a vision board, grabbing here and there. I've seen someone do it on their computer and put it as their like desktop background. And I was like, okay, that's cool. But for me, that's like too busy. That's like very chaotic. That's too much for me. I've seen someone use a computer to do it and like frame it really nicely. So I might tap into that a little bit more, give it a little bit more zhush. That's what I like to call it, a little zhush. Okay. So yes, I'm excited to get into that. And of course, when I get done, when I start working on it, I will definitely tap in and let y'all see exactly, you know, what I'm manifesting next for myself. I'm excited, you know, definitely grateful for every day I wake up. And, you know, I feel like whenever you have a plan, what is it? A man with a plan will never fail. Ooh. But a man without a plan, okay, you get it. I don't know the rest. So yes, I'm definitely a woman with a plan, and you know, what's that? What's failure? I don't know what that is. You know, we learn from our mistakes, we move on. We're manifesting great things for ourselves, for myself. Are you? I don't know. Let me know. Do you manifest? Are you speaking it into existence? Do you kind of just feel like, that doesn't work? I definitely feel like it works. Okay, so listen, for example, on my board, I had other places you'll go, right? So when I put this on there, I was thinking like, oh, you know, I'm manifesting going somewhere I never thought of, I never dreamt of. And you know where I went this year? I did a European tour. Who thought about that? During a pandemic, I did a European tour. I went to Germany, I went to Greece, I went to Amsterdam, and I went to Italy. Buongiorno. Oh, the places you'll go. I manifested that for myself. Of course, with the help of God, because, you know. And yes, it was somewhere I never expected to go. And it was like, wow, I'm actually going to Europe and I'm going to multiple countries. This is amazing. And I'm staying at resorts and whatnot. So don't knock it till you try it. The worst that can happen is that something doesn't happen. But think of like the best thing that can happen. If you really try to manifest and like put your mind to it, think of the best thing. Think of where you could be. So, all right, y'all, I'm concluding it right there. You know, I'm going to come back when I make my new vision board for 2022. If you're making vision boards too, wow, I can't talk. If you're also making vision boards, let me know what you're using. If you're doing it the old school way like I did and taking it back to, pen and paper poster boards. If you're doing it the new school technology way, let me know. Let me know if you do manifest, how many times a day or a week or monthly. Do you journal about it? Do you write it down? Do you kind of like write down like your goals or manifestations for the month? And if it comes true, like what do? What's your routine? Y'all see mine. So yes, I'll be back when I have I'll be back before then, but I'll be back again when I do my updated version of my vision board for 2022. So like, subscribe, comment for sure, and I'll see y'all next time.